Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we're going to be doing a nail salon tour. I have remodeled, upgraded, and just redecorated our entire salon. It is definitely very neutral vibes, super aesthetically pleasing in my opinion. It just looks and feels a lot more updated in general. So I hope you guys enjoy it. If you guys watched my original nail salon tour, you will see the insane amount of difference that it has made just with a few changes that we did. And as always, I will leave all the products linked down below, and hopefully you guys get a little bit of inspo in your area if you guys are struggling with how to decorate your own space. Without further ado, let's get right into the video. Now, starting off with the focal point, as soon as you enter the salon, this is what you see. It is our Nailfie Studio sign. So I actually opted for adding 2 chairs to work as more of a waiting area as well. In my original tour, I did not have any chairs there, and I just felt like it just went with the vibe. And when I saw those chairs, I fell instantly in love. They are black boucle chairs from Amazon, and I thought they were just absolutely stunning. So if I didn't use them at the salon, I was definitely going to use them at home. So regardless, I had to purchase those. And then for our wooden sign, we went with the same vibe that we did in our first tour. I changed it, of course, into the wooden vibe, same size, same proportions, and then we went with the same style of sign in the middle, which Sergio and I DIY'd. I am absolutely obsessed with how it turned out. I used my Cricut for the words, and then I used an acrylic sheet, and then we used sign screws, which just tied everything together with the vibe that I was going for. Now to the left is our pedicure area, which is my favorite area of the salon as of right now. I feel like it just gives all the cozy vibes, and it just looks super cute. It is aesthetically pleasing in my opinion. So definitely super excited of how well everything went together. So in my original video, I had gray chairs. We had white stools, the Pedi bowls were silver, so I wanted to go more with a neutral aesthetic, and these Sherpa chairs were so perfect for it. I bought those off of Target. And then these stools that you see, they're more of like an ottoman type of vibe for the nail tech while doing the pedicure. I purchased those off of Amazon. And then the footrest is DIY'd by me and Sergio as well. I love how they came together. Our plumbless pedicure bowls are the same ones that I had originally. I just repurchased them in black, and these actually have vibration and heat to them as well. And then I added those beautiful flower frames that actually came in a pack of 3. The other one is in the haul, which you will see a little bit later. And then that black box in back of the pedicure chairs is actually our vent system that was originally installed, and it just looked really ugly if you remember what that looked like. We got it framed, painted in black, and then I added some cute little vases just to tie everything together, and I feel like it looks super adorable. And then I added these little mats that I got from IKEA, which went with the vibe perfectly, and they were only $2, so definitely check out all the links down below. And then over to the opposite side of where our sign is my stash of acrylics, which you guys have probably seen already on my channel. I need to reorganize them because we did take these down to paint everything, and then I kind of just threw them on there. And then for our beautiful polish racks, I'm obsessed with these. They are perfection in my opinion. We have now more storage for our polishes, and I feel like it just looks so good. You can kind of customize them to the length that you want. They are also from Amazon. I absolutely adore the look of them, and I just feel like it just went perfectly with everything. They're very affordable as well, so definitely we'll be linking those for y'all. And then across from our pedicure area, we have our snack bar / drink bar area. Originally, we had a white little dresser. We switched that out for black and gold, and I really adore it. I did not want to repurchase our fridge and all that good stuff, so we opted for keeping them. We just moved them all to one side in comparison to before I kind of had them split up. I just feel like it kind of ruined the vibe a little bit, but I did not want to repurchase those because it can get really expensive. And then I switched out our Keurig pod holder. Our Keurig is the same, still kind of going back and forth on whether I want to switch that out or not. I ended up adding black and brown coffee cups. Y'all already know that I'm extra like that. And then this little container is from Target, which was perfect for our coffee straws. I think it just looks so cute with everything. So here I just keep my extra coffee pods, extra straws, snacks, sometimes, especially for Camila. And then I have my glasses here in the other one, and then little decor stuff that I use during the holidays. And then in the last one, we have all of our extra cups and cleaning stuff for our Keurig machine. Here's another little glimpse of what it looks like. Also to mention, our microwave used to be in our other lounge area for us nail techs, but we ended up switching that room out for Vita Bella Fulfillment Center. So that no longer can be in that room, and I ended up just putting it on that little stand so that it can be with all the other appliances. Now over to the right side, whenever you enter the salon, is mine and my coworker Missy's area. So here first is my area. Don't mind my coffee, y'all already know I'm an addict. I added a little bench right here because one, it was a really good deal. I bought it at Target on sale for like $50. Just had to mention that because I was very, very proud of that purchase, and I felt like it just went good with everything. The client chair is white, and I know a lot of you guys are gonna be like, what the heck, why would you get a white chair? But they were just so cute, and the vibe was there, and they were very inexpensive. So I was like, if I need to replace one, it won't hurt me as much. And I got those off of Amazon as well. My desk stayed the exact same. We have IKEA drawers, the Alex drawers for our base, and then custom quartz tops for the top part of the table. But look at how cute these chairs are. Y'all cannot tell me that it wasn't the best purchase I've ever made. And then I added my black accents on my table as well. You guys can see that I switched out my Kiara Sky stuff for white, also to match the vibe, because I just cannot help myself. I have issues, okay? Everything has to match perfectly. And then I just feel like it just looks so aesthetically pleasing when everything just flows very well. And because I am the first desk that you see when you enter, I just had to. Now behind is our little accent wall that my husband originally did when we first remodeled the salon. Super beautiful. Give a shout out to him for that. And then I have this extra little drawer set thing that I bought off Amazon a while ago. And then I actually have my Clorox wipes in that black container because, again, the aesthetics just had to all match. And then you can see Missy's chair in the back as well. That is absolutely stunning. Those are mine and her chairs. Tan matches the vibe. The gold is just beautiful, also off of Amazon. And then I also switched out my garbage can and clock for black and wooden vibes. I added one of those same IKEA mats under the trash can just to make it more aesthetically pleasing. The matte black garbage can, you guys, is so beautiful as well. We just had to do that. It used to be rose gold before. And then here in our little hallway, I'm not going to show you the girls' rooms just because privacy. But in our little hallway, we have switched out that mirror from just a silver mirror to obviously black. And then there's that extra frame that I was talking about that came in a set of 3 from the pedicure area. Now switching over a different angle, here we have our extra sink that originally had silver handles. The faucet was silver. The little towel containers underneath were also pink. And then we ended up actually switching out the faucet to gold, the soap dispenser to gold. Here's our little trash can, and I actually have my implements just recently washed, so I need to go and switch those over to the Barbicide. So quick little reminder for that. And then I have black aesthetically pleasing brushes to match the vibe as well. And then of course down below I did the little wooden type of vibe container, and then those shelves are actually white. We wrapped it in some wrapping paper that mimicked wooden vibes. I think it looked so cute. It just ties everything together. Once again, the white just kind of didn't match a little bit. And then our napkin holder right there. And then immediately, as soon as you exit the little hall, is our bathroom. The bathroom stayed exactly the same. So out of the entire remodel, that's the only room that I opted to leave the same as the original design, because y'all, this is my favorite. Like, the bathroom is such a vibe. Everyone that comes into the salon absolutely loves it. It is perfect for taking selfies also. So I did not want to disrupt the beautifulness of this bathroom. So this is the original design of it. Everything is exactly the same. I do want to switch out some of the decor right here on this little dresser, but that'll be for another time. I have complimentary feminine hygiene products in these drawers, which I recently restocked if you guys seen my clean with me video, but I think it's just such a cute addition. We have our poopery also, because y'all already know. We got tampons in the first drawer, different ones of course. We have the daily liners and then the heavy flow ones also. And then I have some Vagisil and deodorant wipes just because you never know. We do not want to be smelling musty up in here. On a serious note, it is definitely a really cute addition, and I feel like everyone appreciates having the nail salon have your back. So here's a cute little montage of the entire salon. I hope y'all enjoyed it. I hope you loved it, and I will absolutely leave everything linked down below. Please let me know if y'all have any questions.